Water is life. It's also the greatest tool in human history. For as long as human beings have been shaping this world, we have done it with water. So if you're looking for the next frontier, just look around you. With water, we can create more while consuming less. Replace wasteful habits with sustainable ones. We can create lifelong memories while protecting the lives we cherish most. We can go beyond clean to ensure the health of people and the planet we call home. Water is the next frontier, and we are the explorers.